Moving on to the settings page, you can check all available configurable options. The V10 system settings consist of 5 categories: parameter settings, system time, user management, communication settings, print settings. The parameter settings consist of 3 parts: device parameters, default test recipes, and system parameters. Device parameters have 2 states, a browsing state and an editing state. When you click the device parameters button, you enter the browsing state, where you can view the current system default device parameters. If modifications are needed and your user permissions allow it, you can directly edit the corresponding text box. After adjusting each parameter, simply click the Save button to store your settings. We have our user management system here. When creating a user, you only need to set the username, password complexity, and user roles. When it comes to computerized system compliance, the V10 is designed to satisfy the most stringent regulatory standards. It fully aligns with EU Annex 11 and FDA 21 CFR Part 11 requirements, ensuring your data integrity is never compromised. First, identity and access management. The V10 features username and password login, along with 4-level role-based access control. This prevents unauthorized operations and ensures all actions, from login to result storage, are fully traceable. Next is the comprehensive audit trail. The system automatically captures every critical operation in real time: test runs, parameter modifications, and data edits, all recorded as non-erasable and exportable audit trail entries. This eliminates any risk of data tampering, deletion, or forgery. For electronic records and signatures, the V10 adopts rigorous workflows compliant with China GMP and EU GMP Annex 11. It supports clear printing and long-term backup of electronic records. It enforces strict signature approval procedures for critical test data impacting drug quality. Under the hood, the V10 runs on a Linux operating system, offering superior stability and lower security risks. Every system change is verified, documented, and tracked throughout the entire lifecycle of the computerized system. Data backup and retrieval are equally reliable. You can export data via USB. The system supports long-term secure backup with no fixed storage limit, and all test records and audit trails are queryable and exportable for regulatory inspection. In short, the V10 doesn't just perform integrity tests. It delivers full regulatory peace of mind, from access control to audit trails, from electronic signatures to data backup. Every detail is designed with EU Annex 11 and data integrity compliance at its core. All these powerful features and intuitive UI, combined with ultra-fast test speeds, truly make the V10 the ideal choice for filter integrity testing.